In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add automated reminders and follow-ups to your Calendly meetings. 5 minutes. We'll start on calendly.com. Click Login, enter your email address, and continue with your password. Once you're signed in and on your Calendly home screen, look for workflows in the navigation. Workflows are where you automate actions around your events, like reminder emails before a meeting or follow-ups afterward. Click Workflows, then select New Workflow. You'll see templates that make setup faster. Choose the option for an email reminder to invitee. Give your workflow a clear name so you can recognize it later, like Discovery Call Reminder. Next, select the event type you want this workflow to apply to and click Apply. This keeps your reminders targeted to the right kind of meeting. Now set the timing under. When this happens, click Edit. Choose before event starts, then pick how far in advance the reminder should go out. Common options include a day before, an hour before, or a few minutes before the call. Select the time that best fits your meeting style and expectations, then click Done. Consistent timing helps attendees show up prepared and on time. Move to the Do This section and click Edit to refine the actual email that will be sent. Choose the email address that should send the message, select a reminder template as your starting point, and personalize it. Update the subject line so it's immediately recognizable, like Reminder, your upcoming meeting. Then customize the body of the email. Keep it concise and useful. Confirm the date and time, include the meeting link or location, and add any preparation notes. If your template includes variables like event name or invitee name, keep those in to make the message feel tailored and clear. You'll also see checkboxes for helpful additions, such as including reschedule or cancel links and adding event details. Tick the options that make your reminder more actionable, then click Done. If you want to expand the workflow, click Add Action to include another step, such as an additional reminder or a follow-up message after the event. When you're satisfied, click Save. That saves and activates the workflow for the selected event type. And that's it. You've set up automated reminders in Calendly, ensuring your attendees get timely, helpful emails without any manual effort. Keep your messages clear. Choose reminder times that match your audience, and you'll see fewer no-shows and smoother meetings.